Hi there, students of AG1H. We are here to talk about expectations for the remote learning that's going to start on Monday. Mrs. Hill has been a little bit punchy and a little goofy in the last 15 minutes, and we might have started this video 4 times already, but we're going to make it a go this time. We are trying to explain sort of what the expectations are for you and what the expectations are from us for this upcoming remote learning. The first thing is that we've taped videos, how old am I? We've recorded videos of the lesson. The lesson is going to be following the core problems. It is actually Mrs. Jones' voice and Mrs. Jones' handwriting for your videos, but we will be available in other ways as well. Our expectation for you is that you are watching the videos as needed. We understand that you are able to use the completed notes, the core problems, right off of Google Classroom, and if you're reading through them and that's enough, that's fine. You can also skip through the videos if there are just certain parts that you want to listen to and not other parts that make sense. That's fine as well.
So for assignments, they will be posted in Google Classroom. We're going to limit the number of problems that you'll do on each assignment. We'll cut out stuff that isn't relevant to what we're currently doing, things we don't think you need extra practice on, you know, like illumination or graphing linear equations. Yeah, my class is weird.
You thought I was the weird one?
They really are. But I love them. Anyway, anyway, oh my goodness, Mrs. Fraser.
She started it. Okay, so assignments.
Assignments, back on track here. Assignments, just, you know, do the best you can, do the problems that we assign. We will post in Google Classroom which problems we want you to do. You certainly can do the other ones, but they are optional. Probably maybe worth some scare points if you do some optional ones. You know, we'll figure that out as time goes on. But that's the assignments.
So how do you submit your assignments? You're going to submit them directly through Google Classroom, and we're actually going to make 2 videos for how to submit pictures of your assignments. One video for how to submit from a phone, and 1 video for how to submit pictures if you're submitting them directly from a computer.
And then, of course, the big question is grades. I know that you are all really concerned about grades and doing well and all that. For right now, the main concern is doing the assignments. We want to know that you're participating. Are you, doing the problems and submitting them? Things like that. We're going to just look at the homework completion, the participation. We will worry about tests, quizzes, etc. at a later date and time.
So part of that participation is that we are going to be available at scheduled times, either Google Hangouts or Zoom, and we haven't really determined which one we're going to go with yet, but we will post either links or times, we'll post our schedule, all of that will come through Google Classroom, so make sure that you're checking that.
One other thing regarding assignments that I forgot to say before, we will also be posting answer keys for all of the assignments, all the work done out. That way if you get stuck on something, you can go and see how we did it, how we arrived at our answer. Certainly we do not want you just copying from the answer key to your homework. That is not going to help you learn the material and have you ready for AG2 or 2H for next year.
So I think that's everything. If we have any further questions, just let us know. Email, somebody's at the door, it's Mrs. Jones. Hey, Mrs. Jones. You can email us. I didn't make that up. Or you can ask questions in Google Hangouts or Zoom, wherever we are for that. If you're not comfortable asking questions in sort of the larger group, which you should be because it's all the same kids that you've been in class anyway, but you can always send them in an email, or you can do something else outside of the chat times. There should also be paraeducators available, but you're probably best off waiting for one of the 2 of us, at least for the time being. So I think that's everything.
I think so too.
Okay.
All right.
See you guys.
See ya.
Oh, click subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell.
And you thought I was weird.
She is.